Welcome to the Lowe's 22-ton log splitter quick assembly video. Tools needed for assembly: 19mm socket and wrench, 19mm wrench, adjustable end wrenches, snips, needle nose pliers, and a box cutter. Cut and remove the box and additional packaging using a box cutter. Cut and remove banding. Remove the engine guard by removing the linchpin underneath the engine and recycle the engine guard. Cut and remove bag around the toe coupler, cut the zip tie and lower the tongue. Extend the tongue stand. Remove bolts, washers, and nuts from the tongue mount bracket on tank. Slide the tongue into correct position. Secure the bolts, flat washers, locking washers, and nuts on the tongue bracket. Lower the beam into the horizontal position and secure beam latch. Attach valve handle into operational position and secure with clevis pin and cotter pin. This log splitter comes filled with engine oil and hydraulic fluid. Call Dirty Hand Tools customer service with any questions. 1-877-487-8275.